students of class 9. Today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Lines and Angle. First of all, we will discuss some of the basic terms related to lines and angles. At first, basic terms related to lines. The first term is line. A line is a one-dimensional figure which has infinite length but negligible width. এটা লাইন হল এনেকুৱা এটা বস্তু যাৰ খালি লেংথ আছে কিন্তু কোনো ব্রেথ নাই আৰু it is a one dimensional figure means এইটো এটা ডাইৰেকশনতে আমি বুজাব পাৰো এটা লাইন বুজাবৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ যিকোনো এটা ডাইৰেকশনে লাগে so it is a one dimensional figure. The second is line segment. A line segment is a fragment or piece of a line which has a finite length and negligible width. এটা লাইনৰ পৰা যদি টুকুৰা কৰি আমি এটা পিস লৈ আহো হেটো হল আমাৰ কি লাইন সেগমেন্ট. এটা লাইন সেগমেন্টৰ এন্ড পয়েন্ট দুটা থাকে. হেয়ার এই দুটা হল আমাৰ কি এন্ড পয়েন্টস অফ লাইন সেগমেন্ট. বাট in case of line there is no end point. A line is denoted as AB. Over AB we write a small line. So a line is represented like this. Similarly, a line segment is denoted as AB and a small bar above AB. The next term is ray. A ray is a line which starts from a point and goes off in a particular direction to infinity. Liner kesot ki asil amar do pine in the direction of B and A. Do pine ki ase amar infinite distance lo extend hoy asil. In case of ray yate eta end point ase amar end point to hol A aro B direction of the infinite direction lo ki hoy ase extend hoy ase. So similarly a ray is denoted as AB and over AB a small symbol of ray. Students, now we will discuss some of the basic terms related to angles. At first, what is angle? When two rays starts from a single common point, the figure formed is known as angle. যেতিয়া দুটা রে এটা কমন পয়েন্টৰ পৰা ইমার্জ হয় তেতিয়া যোনটো ফিগাৰ ফৰ্ম হয় হেটো ফিগাৰক কি বুলি কোৱা হয় এংগেল বুলি কোৱা হয়. As you can see in the picture that from a point O these two ray OB and OA arises. So in this way it forms a figure that is called angle. Here the name of the angle is angle AOB. The name of the angle is AOB. The common point from where these two rays emerges is called vertex. This is the common point. O is the common point. From this common point two rays arises. So this point is known as vertex of the angle. And the two rays OA and OB are known as the arms of the angle. You can see the different definitions of the parts of angle that are vertex and arms on the whiteboard. You can note it down from here. Now we will discuss different types of angles. according to size of the angles, they are divided into 5 categories. And they are acute angles, right angles, obtuse angles, straight angle, and reflex angle. The angle is represented by the variable theta. আমি angle এটা represent কৰিবলৈ যোনটো variable use কৰো সেইটো হল আমাৰ theta. ঠিক আছে? So first of all, let us discuss about acute angle. If the value of the angle is between 0 degree to 90 degree, less than 90 degree, not 90 degree. If the value of theta is greater than 0 degree but smaller than 90 degree, then those angles are called acute angle. You can see the picture of acute angle here. The next type is right angle. When the value of theta is 90 degree, যাতে এঙ্গেলটা আমার 90 ডিগ্রি হয় সেইটো এঙ্গেলক আমি কি বুলি কোৱা হয় রাইট এঙ্গেল বুলি কোৱা হয়। থিটাৰ ভ্যালু 90 ডিগ্রি হলে এটো রাইট এঙ্গেল বুলি কোৱা হয় আৰু রাইট এঙ্গেলক আমি এনেকে ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰো। থাৰ্ড টাইপ ইজ obtuse angle. If the value of theta is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, then those angles are called obtuse angles. Here you can see the picture of a obtuse angle, the figure of a obtuse angle. Okay, the next type is the straight angle. When the value of theta, that is the value of the angle, is exactly 180 degree, the angle is known as straight angle. Here is the picture of a straight angle. Okay, so straight angle is a line. Here AOB forms a line. So straight angle can be represented as a line also. Now the next type of angle is the reflex angle. When the value of angle theta is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, then the angles are known as reflex angles. So here this bigger angle theta is known as the reflex angle. So the definition of reflex angle satisfy here also. This is angle AOB, acute angle, but opposite to that angle এইটো angle আমার কি হবো, এইটো angle হবো আমার reflex angle. Similarly obtuse angle এর কেসত যোনটো opposite angle হবো এইটো আমার কি হবো, reflex angle হবো। ঠিক আছে? Term related to angles is the adjacent angles. When two angles have one common vertex and one common arm such that the common arm lies between the two non-common arms, then they are called as adjacent angle. Here in this picture, from a common point, from a common vertex O, two angles are formed, which are angle AOB and angle BOC. These two angles are formed from a common vertex O, and these two angles have one common arm OB which lies between the two non-common arms OC and OA. So these two angles are called as adjacent angles. The next point is linear pairs of angles. When two adjacent angle when the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then the two adjacent angles are called as linear pairs of angles. Here the sum of these two angles, that is angle AOB and angle BOC, is 180 degree. So these two pairs of angles are known as linear pairs of angles. This term related to angles is the adjacent angles. When two angles have one common vertex and one common arm such that the common arm lies between the two non-common arms, then they are called as adjacent angle. Here in this picture, from a common point, from a common vertex O, two angles are formed, which are angle AOB and angle BOC. These two angles are formed from a common vertex O, and these two angles have one common arm OB, which lies between the two non-common arms OC and OA. So these two angles are called as adjacent angles. The next point is linear pairs of angles. When two adjacent angle when the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then the two adjacent angles are called as linear pairs of angles. Here the sum of these two angles, that is angle AOB and angle BOC, is 180 degree. So these two pairs of angles are known as linear pairs of angles. Discuss two more terms related to lines and angles. The first term is non-intersecting line, also called as parallel lines. If the distance between two lines remains always constant, then these two lines are said to be parallel line. Here in this diagram you can see the line AB and line CD. The distance between these two lines, that is distance 1 and distance 2. If distance 1 is equals to distance 2, then these two lines will be called as non-intersecting line or parallel line. The second term is intersecting line. If the distance between two lines is not same, not constant, then the two lines will intersect each other and the two lines will be called as intersecting lines. Here you can see a diagram of intersecting line. Whenever two lines intersect each other at any point, four angles are formed, and the angles which are exactly opposite to each other, like this angle and this angle and this angle and this angle, are called pair of vertically opposite angles. So when two lines intersect each other, we get two pairs of vertically opposite angle. The first pair is angle AOC, and angle DOB is the first pair, and the second pair is angle AOD, and angle BOC. So two pair of vertically opposite angles are formed whenever two lines intersect each other at any point, and these vertically opposite angles are equal.